Welcome guys, in this video we are going to check if we can charge the AirPods Pro 2nd generation in the case of the AirPods Pro 1st generation. So in my left hand that's the AirPods Pro 1st generation, in the right AirPods Pro 2nd generation. And as you can see, my AirPods Pro are connected to the iPhone, and the currently battery level is the 98%. Okay, right here it shows the 99%. So we can simply take them out of the case and put them to the AirPods Pro 2nd generation case. So let's make it right now. I guess it will be the information about the mismatch. Yeah, there it is. But I just wonder if we can get over the 98% to hit the 99 or the 100. So let's just close the case. And we can also put this one right here. I mean this case, the AirPods 1st generation. So just simply, I'm gonna speed up this video until this percentage turns to the 99 or the 100. So see you soon, guys. Okay, so here I am, and as you can see, currently the battery of our AirPods Pro 2nd generation just decreased to the 94% from the 98. So there is like obvious answer that unfortunately we cannot charge them in the AirPods Pro 1st generation case, and I bet 100% that also we cannot charge AirPods 2nd generation in the AirPods 1st generation in the AirPods 2nd generation case. So unfortunately there is no way to do this. Yeah, that's all for this video. The quick answer to your question. It was about 10 minutes. So from the 10 minutes they drop from the 98% to the 94%. That's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.